Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 important short Java interview question and answers. Describe garbage collection in Java. It's a mechanism by which Java reclaims the memory inaccessible by the application. So you have a Java application, you have created a lot of objects. Sometimes the objects goes out of the scope, but they have used a lot of memory. So in order to reclaim all the memory used by unreachable object, we need garbage collection. So garbage collector is it's a background thread, low periodic thread. It will be keep on running, and it will has a lot of algorithms to find out the unreachable object in your application, and it will reclaim all the memory so that you will not get out of memory error in your Java application. That's where garbage collection plays an important role. Whereas in C++, you have to do it manually. You have to delete and you have to release the memories in C++, but it is taken care by JVM in Java automatically. What are the types of polymorphism in Java? Static, function overloading, and runtime overloading, overriding virtual functions. Different ways of using threads. You can extend the thread class or implementing runnable interface. The recommendation is always implement runnable interface because you don't want to lose that inheritance, because Java does not support multiple inheritance. So don't extend the thread class. Try to avoid that. Always try to do implementing runnable interface, because in future if you want to extend any other class, you can do that. Difference between composition and inheritance. Has a relationship versus is a relationship. So this is inheritance, A and B. So B and C, what happens is it knows a lot of things from the A. So, and one more point is it is coupled to A, whereas composition, A contains X. A contains X. It can be an interface, and we can have multiple implementations of X. Not a problem. So composition is preferred over the inheritance, because inheritance is a lot of coupling, and you know much information about the parent classes. Here in A, X does not know much information, and A also does not know much information about X. So how the implementation, nothing. So it just holds the reference and it just delegates the call to X. So composition is preferred over inheritance. What are static variables? Static variables are attached to the class and not to objects. All objects share that static variables. Please remember, static means it is attached to the class. So any principle or any rules applied to the object, it is not applicable for static variables. Say for example, function overriding. So it is not applicable to static methods and static variables. Hope these 5 questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.